Is localized, maintenance, chuck, cleanup logic crashing because of the Clean Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before the walkthrough for Clean Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Clean Library, a generic naming convention used by several proprietary debloating and PC cleaner tools to store their localized file deletion routines. Because it manipulates system-level files, it is frequently quarantined by Windows security. If deleted, the cleanup utility will report a shell hook failure or immediate termination. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Missing Clean Library DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized maintenance/cleanup logic integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Clean Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Clean Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Clean Library synchronized. To keep Clean Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.